Until now we spoke about all the cool shortcuts that you should press. These are shortcuts that you shouldn't use. But honestly speaking, it wasn't exactly what I said, because you could use them. They were obviously created for a reason. But nevertheless, if you're not sure what it is, or if you press them by mistake, then it can cause lots of confusion or problems. So the first one is, if you have caps lock on, you would see almost all the tools as a crosshair instead of your tools. So you're like, where is my pen tool gone to? And you see only this cross there. Or any of these tools, as you can see here, it changes it, so that can be kind of annoying. You can just press the caps lock once again to get it back to normal. If you press Control Command 3, that will hide the object. So you suddenly, where's that object gone? Then you should press Control Command Alt 3. That'll bring it out again. Or Control Shift Alt 3 also will hide everything else besides for the chosen one. Then to release or to show the other object once again, then press Control or Command Alt or Option 3. As you can see, I have this bounding box around the element. If you press Shift or Control B, suddenly, whoopa, it's gone, and now I can't enlarge the star anymore like I would with the regular selection tool. To bring it back, you just press once again Shift or Control B. Also with the direct selection tool, as you can see, I can use any of these anchor points and move them all around. If you press Control or Command H, that will hide it. So now with this direct selection tool, I could move it around, and I could even change these anchor points, but I can't see them like I would normally when I select an object. To bring it back, you can press Control or Command H once again. Do you know what Control Shift H will do? Have a look. Boom, my artboard is gone. Now the whole pasteboard is like an artboard, even though it's not really. It just removes the artboard completely. If I want to bring it back, you can press once again Shift Control H. There is my tiny artboard. If you by mistake pressed on the Tab key, your keys will be lost or gone. Half of them at least. You can press on Tab once again. If you press on the F key once or twice, that will also move a lot of your tools, so you can just press on it again a third time to bring it all back. If you press on Shift F, that will actually bring you in presentation mode, and you don't have any keys whatsoever. To exit it, you can press the Escape key. I've got here a few of my lucky stars. If you press Control Command Y, you'd only see the outline of any object or any shape. As you can see, you can still move them around, you can change the anchor points, but you can't see the shape, color, or the fill, or any effect applied to it. So to be able to see it once again in regular mode, you can press Control or Command Y. Hey, where did my stars go to? This one is like half outside and I can't see them. If you want to see what's outside your artboard as well, you can go to View and choose Uncheck Trim View, then you'll be able to see everything on your pasteboard just as well. If some of your tools are missing, you can go to Windows and choose Control over there. As you can see, when I uncheck it, then half of my tools are gone, so you can just choose it once again. Also, if your tools are missing here, or many of them are missing, you can go to Windows, Toolbars, and you can choose Advanced from there, because possibly it was under Basic and many of them are missing there. So those are just some keyboard shortcuts which you may have pressed by mistake and got results which you aren't too pleased with. If you have any other ones which I haven't mentioned, then please leave it in the comments below. Also feel free to share any of your ideas, comments, questions, or just anything you want to add at the comments below. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe, only if you gained something, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.